Right, so today I'll be showing you how to use speech to text in Google Docs. So basically you can give your speech and Google Docs will translate that for you into text, or rather it will transcribe it into text. So you can use that to type because it's a much faster way of typing as opposed to using a keyboard. So what you need to do is in a Google Docs document, if you want to use speech to text, simply press Control Shift S, and that will bring up this, and you can already see it's transcribing what I'm saying. Alternatively, if I could just quickly delete that, you can go into Tools. So go to Tools, and under Tools, you should see Voice Typing. You can click on that, and that's going to bring up the voice typing little window. So this one is going to float on your screen, and you can drag it anywhere. Okay. Now, when you want to give it a speech to text, or when you want to use it, just click on the microphone. Now, keep in mind that there needs to be a microphone connected to your computer. Now, most laptops have built-in microphones. If you're using a desktop PC, then you might need to connect a third-party microphone. But once it detects a microphone, you can just click on it, and then everything you say is captured by your microphone, transcribed inside Google Docs, and converted to text. So that's the ultimate speech to text. Period. New paragraph. This is a much faster way of typing compared to using a keyboard. Period. Space. What do you think? Question mark. So as you might have noticed, you might need to do a few changes, but it does get instructions. So for instance, when I told it to move to a new paragraph, it did. When I told it to add a period, it did. And it knows when I want to add a question mark, because I'll just say question mark and it's going to add a question mark instead of typing question mark. So it uses Google's intelligence and Google's knowledge base to better understand what you're trying to write and do the best job it can for you. Now, it's not perfect, but it works, and you might need to go through the document and make a few changes here and there. Good thing it underlines for you anywhere it thinks there's an error, so you can just go through the document. But you have to agree with me that it's a very much faster way of typing. So that's how to use speech to text, or how to transcribe speech to text in Google Docs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.